Hello guys, so I think we can start. So if you have any doubt, any concern, so just raise your hand and we'll try to unmute you. Okay, so Shobit and Ravin.
Hello.
Yeah, Shobit.
Okay, sir. So can I share my screen now?
Yes, you can share.
All right. Okay, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
All right. Why is this blanking again and again?
So you have shared a single screen or entire screen.
Entire screen.
Okay.
Okay, you can see my whole screen, right? You can see the tabs here and my desktop icons below.
Yes. No, I can't see desktop icon. That's fine now. Just open your any other like a file explorer or anything.
All right. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, now I can see. Just open your
You can
Jupyter.
you can see my screen. All right. I'll just open my this. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So actually, I actually have uh, 3 or 4 doubts today and I might take your 10 or 20 minutes because sir, actually the last time I did not get a chance to ask my doubt.
Mhm.
And so okay, sir. So basically, I was just taking the data from internet, and the first doubt I have is that, sir, this is a E. coli dot data,
Mm-hmm.
and I did not understand like the type. Obviously, then I googled it and then I just read this data, E. coli dot data. I just read this data and it is giving me this data, but this is a single string. This is a single string. This is this. None of the this is a single string data. How can I, like, I have tried to separate this data. I have like separated it here, like
Mm-hmm.
put this between commas and stuff, but I cannot seem to, like, separate it. No, see df.columns, you can
Mm-hmm.
see that this is a single string column. This is a single string column and it's an object type, and I am not quite sure, so I I actually tried in other Jupyter I opened another
No.
Jupyter notepad.
Just a second, Sobit. Okay. So first of
Mhm.
all, show me the extension of the file which you have imported. This is dot data file, right?
Dot data file,
And
yes.
what you are importing?
uh,
Means what is the function which you have written? Just check.
the function that I have written, all right.
Read CSV,
So
right?
yeah, read CSV.
So first of all, you have to convert this dot data into the dot CSV. Okay, so just open your Excel and inside that, you can directly import this dot data file and you can directly convert into the CSV dot CSV and then try to import. You will be able to
Oh,
import. Yeah.
I'll just note it down because I'll do it
Hmm.
later, because it will take time to open my Excel. I think my Excel have
So no, that's a simple
Mhm.
step. Okay, so over the Excel or PowerPoint or Words we use now in our
Mhm.
so just try to Google it how we can convert the dot data file into dot CSV. You will get it. Okay.
Sir, I've actually Googled it and it actually showed this only. It's like you can just read CSV. I have no problem with it. It's just that this is a single string, like the data is not separated by.
Actually,
Mhm.
now this is dot data file. This is
Okay,
dot
okay.
data actually. Whenever like you will convert into dot CSV now, automatically it will be
Mhm.
separated. Just try to do once. Okay, you will get it. Okay. Here it's
Okay, so just tell me the steps. So I just have to, like put it in an just put it in an Excel file and then.
no. Just open your Excel, Microsoft
uh,
Excel.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, data. Go inside the data.
Go inside data. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you just need to import over here.
From other sources. No, no, no. From the
No.
sources. No, no, no. From access. No, no, no. From X. Yeah, from access.
Okay.
Yeah. Downloads, and this is my. This is not coming. My data is not showing. It is not showing me the file, sir.
Just check now where you have kept. I don't know, like
It's actually in downloads only.
so
It's
just go here. Just go here and try to do all. Just in over here.
new source. Okay, sir, I'll try this. No, I'll just try this. Okay, I'll
Yeah,
just try
yeah.
this.
Sure,
You
sure.
know, and then so okay, I'll just try it. I'll ask it next time if I get stuck in this. So and after that, sir, actually my main doubt come right now.
Hmm,
So I imported this raw file, raw data from GitHub and
hmm,
stuff, and it was this data. You know, like
hmm.
this data. This is DF. How can I just when yeah. This data, it is 3,410 rows and 27 columns. So
Okay.
basically, I was trying to put it in a decision tree, so I had decision tree classifier.
Hmm,
And for classification problem, I was just trying to find out the unique values, because when I can see the unique values, I can automatically, like
hmm,
calculate like, yes, this can be, classified. So I just made this normal function, and then I just put this in this unique, and
hmm,
I can see that this state is from Alabama to Wyoming,
hmm, hmm.
right? From Alabama to Wyoming, and it seems like a classification. I can just classify on the basis of this because these are the states,
Hmm,
right?
hmm.
And but when I put this data in X and Y, and then uh, just split the data, and then yeah, when I made a decision tree model and then put the data, it gave me a warning: could not convert string to float. This one.
So how do you will be able to convert a string to float? Can you pass this categorical data to your model? No, no.
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will have to encode that first of all. Okay.
Yeah, that is where I'm coming.
Hmm,
So and then I just saw this, this guy, and he actually told very beautifully, this guy, and
hmm,
then he told to encode, and then I started, encoding my data, and then I label. First of all, I created a label encoder, then I transformed it, then one hot encoder,
hmm,
and then hot labels. Then it gave me an array, but
hmm.
the part is, sir, it gave me an array with I don't know, like there are many columns, like the rows were same but
No,
the columns were so
actually,
many.
nah, so you don't know the basics of the machine learning actually. So do you know how to encode the variable, how and one word encoding work?
One sir, encoding, the basic I only know is that encoding will convert your, like string data into
No, no,
one,
so
like.
wait, this will not work actually. Okay, so if you are doing something, you will have to understand the basic concept at least. Okay, so one hot
Mhm,
encoding, it
mhm.
convert the data into bitwise. So suppose we have 10 classes, so it will create 10 column in your data set. It will add
Okay,
10
okay, okay,
column.
okay,
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 and label
okay.
encoding, what it is doing, it is just labeling your data.
It is labeling my data. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is important. Before one hot encoding, labeling
Hmm.
is important, right?
Yeah.
Because in and all, and
No,
actually, sir, in
it is
several,
not. Yeah. So just
in several sites too, it was told that you do not need to encode the label. Actually, I just closed a tab. There were so many tabs open in stack. Like they were there in some of the site. It was also told that you do not have to use label encoding. Just go for one hot encoding. But then I actually just saw this guy, and he actually, I followed him like quite a while, and he tells like accurate stuff. So I just like went on the way.
no, like target variable, you can't one hot encode, right? So
Okay,
this,
okay.
yeah, for that, this is a classification problem. Now it can be binary, it
Hmm.
can be multi-class. Okay, so
Hmm.
inside multi-class, we have a several category, right? So that
Hmm.
category you have to predict. Okay, to try to do label encode, and it will be a multi-class classification problem. Then you can like find your like a answer. Okay.
So, sir, I'm working on a multi-class classification right now, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is what I'm doing now. That is why I have created this label encoder, and then I have created this one hot encoder, and then it gave me this array.
Label,
No.
label encoder is fine. Don't do one hot encoding over here. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you know what? I actually was doing this label encoding only, and I was about to, execute the whole thing. Then I saw this, and then I saw other. Then I actually went to this, this analytics Vidya site. There also they have converted into this label encoding, and then I thought like, oh man, like that, because like I am not getting the straight answer. I have created so many arrays, and it like month state, and then I've created this month and created this RR from this array set,
Yeah, so
and then
you are new in a machine learning like this, you will
yeah.
learn. Okay, so you are in
Oh,
a right path, right way. Okay? Yeah.
okay, sir. Okay, so basically, I just have to, like only take the label encoding and like not do one hot encoding, right?
Yeah. For target variable, it is not necessary, right?
And sir, where actually my information, like the whole that is actually contradicted, was from this. And when I actually it was this, yeah. So it was string data, that is fine. But here when I have, where is this? Yeah. So when I just like open this iris data set,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the species Iris setosa, Iris virginica, and these are like the species. They are also in the string column, but decision tree did not give me an error with this. See, they are also string, but decision tree never gave me this error. I have fitted this like nicely in my decision tree. Like when I made this tree, I fitted it nicely, and it
Where you have
did not give
fitted?
me.
Show me that.
Yes, sir. I'll just. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah, here, X train, Y train.
Show me your X train. Sorry, Y train, X train, and Y train. Just try to print it.
All right, sir. I have to load this all. Just hold on, please. So this is my Y train, right?
Okay, so decision tree actually, how decision tree works, you know?
Yes, sir. Impurities, gain impurities, and
No,
entropy.
not Guinea impurity and all. So at the last, it is going to create a leaf node. Okay. So that leaf node basically it can be a label also. Okay.
Sir, but that is
No.
why that
Actually,
is why here.
no.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
you are
Continue.
not understanding the mathematics of this model. That's why you are asking. Okay. So how decision tree works actually? So decision tree is taking like X variable. Suppose this is X1. Okay. I don't have a pen and pad. So just try to copy it. So X1, X2, and X3 like this. Okay. And this is Y. So it is taking a one root node. Okay. And based on that, suppose this is X and Y. Okay. So suppose this is Y X. So based on this, they have applied the threshold, whatever threshold we have decided. Okay, based and this threshold, it is trying to split the data. And at the last, what we will get? We will get the
Leaf nodes.
label. So this label can be this label can be a setosa or virginica or versicolor, whatever, right? So there is no need to like a convert into a one hot encode. So that's why you are able to give this as it is. Okay, but whenever we are calculating, suppose y equal to mx plus c, right? So like this, or whenever we are finding the probability in a logistic regression, at that point of a time we have to convert this into a we have to encode this thing. Okay, just try to understand the mathematics of the algorithm, then you will be able to do it.
So, but that is true, sir. I have to practice and I have to understand
Yeah.
it. But like again, I only have this doubt. Like this is also this is also a string. Why did this decision tree detect this string and gave me a straight answer? And why here when I just went for unique set here this month, this is also a classification problem, right? This is also no,
So
sorry,
which
this
model you have used over there?
just this is decision tree, sir. Same model. This is also decision tree. I'll show you. This is also
No, no,
decision tree.
no, no. Just
Print a
show me.
split, decision tree classify here.
Okay, so you are asking the independent variable
Yes.
in between that variable you are using now. So like it is calculated. So at the last, so okay, just show me. Let me. So I have told you now. Suppose this is x1, this is
Mhm,
x2, This is x3 and this is y, right? So at the last, in a decision tree, what it is trying to do, it is trying to do the leaf node. Okay, so suppose this is the leaf node which you are getting. Okay, so it can be label, right? So it is just suppose this we have taken. Okay, based on this, it is trying to basically we are getting this leaf node. Okay, so this by, suppose we have taken this x2, this x3. Okay, we no need to encode this variable, this y, but we need to encode this thing. Okay, so it can be a categorical or it can be a numeric as well. But categorical means basically we can't write a string over here. We just need to convert into a float value. It means like a numerical value. Okay, so it should be a numerical one, and it can be a string also, because we are just
See, you're saying it can be a string also. Here also, if I again click on Y train, I have also given this is a string. This my all states here. This is all string that I have given. This unique from this unique. I have given this as a Y set so that it can like classify on the basis of state. Which state? Louisiana, Pennsylvania, Kansas, and these all state. And that is why this is a doubt. Like
just
here,
try
this
to just
decision.
try to check the data type. Just try to call the info with
All
respect
right.
to that data frame.
df.d types, yes. Month object, state object. All right. And here also, if now here this is df.d types. All right. Sorry, I think I have iris. Sorry, iris. This is iris.d type. Yeah. This is species object. Here it is also object. Why the question again is back to square one. Why here by decision tree just made this it, it took this object also, and here it is not taking this object.
Okay,
Yeah,
just scroll up. No, just scroll up. Just show me the data set.
yeah,
Which
just yeah, df.
this is the data set, right? So df. Just
Mm-hmm.
scroll down. You just scroll down. df dot column. Okay, df dot head. Just go ahead. df dot max. Wait. X drop state. Just show me the x. Just show me the x dot in df dot info over there. df dot info. df dot info. Yeah. df dot info function. Yeah. So this is also object now. Month. This two variable. Just try to remove this month and just try to like pass into your model, decision tree model.
I am not getting what you are saying. Like, I have to drop this model now.
This is object now.
Yeah, this is object.
This you dropped this one. You have taken y. You have taken state as a y, right? And rest as x inside x, right?
Yes,
or no?
yes.
So
Yes.
inside x, you are considering this also now, this month, and this
Month also.
this is the object.
Okay.
You just try to drop this line and try to do. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Shobhit, so just try to do, okay? And
all right, sir. I'll sir, I have actually more doubts. So should I just ask it now or like maybe later?
Yeah, you can ask. So just try to like do it.
I'll just that is I'll just try to do it. Okay. So again, when I was practicing, no, I'm so nervous right now. I forgot my doubts.
Definitely you can ask. Okay. Yeah. So next doubt.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, in decision tree, I did not understand I actually understood the concept of cost complexity pruning, but I have trained my model like just yeah. So this is my decision tree, and I've no. Here is my decision tree that I made. This is the file practice Monday. Yeah, practice Monday. Actually, this file is so big. I have to find where I have made the model. This is decision and logistic practice. CCP alpha, yeah. Here. Sir, like this is the data set that I took. I think this is the same data set that I took. And here I'll just leave the data set behind. Here I made a decision tree classifier, and then I fitted it, and then I like took out the score. This score, and it was 96, 96.95. All right. And then and then I made a path, complex cost complexity pruning, and then CCP path and stuff, and this one. So when I just made this function again, and when I created this train score, this is like the highest. This is like the highest score. So when I just wrote like this comment, validating if the max score is directly proportional to the max CCP. So when I printed the max score, it was 0.96. So as the CCP rises, we can see that the accuracy or the score of the data set becomes good. So sir, is it true like when the CCP rises, like because when Sudhanshu was plotting the graph, although I do not know how to plot the graph because I have not practiced Matplotlib right now, and because when he practiced the graph, I saw that it was 0.2, 0.3, but like right side point, there was also 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. That time the CCP score was high in the CCP score was high in 0.2 and 0.3, but it was not that high in 0.6, 0.7 here. But I am getting my CCP score like highest CCP score and highest train score. So is it true?
So with respect to CCP scores, right? So in that decision tree itself, whenever like you will go with a scikit-learn page, right? So that specific parameter has been given, the CPP complex, like this post pruning. Okay. So just try to check over there what description they have mentioned. Okay. And yeah, based on that, just try to correlate.
Sir, actually, I have read the whole, I've read the whole, but sometimes SKS, logistic regression, plastic net. I actually read but sometimes, like this, it kind of confuses me. So that is why, I asked from.
No, there is no confusion, nothing. Okay. So you have to just read the thing and you have to just understand. Okay. Then only you will be able to understand. You have to spend some time.
So basically, sir, like the base of this CCP cost complexity pruning is that while training the data and testing the data, we split the testing and training data. We train the data, but if we train the data with only 300, the decision tree model gets so it gets so like overfitted. Like it get overfitted.
No,
And
overfitting depend on a depth. It does not depend on like a 300 or 400 rows, right? So it depend on a depth, at which depth you are going to build your decision tree, right? And CPP just post prune your decision tree based on what? So yeah, you can
it
read
cuts
it.
the it cuts
Yeah,
it cuts the branches,
yeah, it
right?
cuts the branches. Yeah.
It cuts the so that is why that is the only thing that I'm not understanding is how like the training and testing score are kind of differing so much.
So training and testing, so like it not depends. So first of all, you need to understand. Okay, no. First of all, you need to understand the concept of the overfitting and underfitting, right? Bias and variance. That what is the relation between test accuracy and train accuracy, right? Then only you can correlate. Okay, so my model is good or my model is best, right? So whether you are applying CPP or you are not applying the CPP, okay, then only you will be able to understand.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Do you like recommend any YouTube channel? Because I have actually seen some of the channel. I've watched Krish, but sometimes I also get confused in like watching like iNeuron and Krish
No,
Nags and
so
stuff.
just
Do
go
you?
one by one. First, like finish the iNeuron, then just try to like check with the Christian channel and many YouTube videos there. Just try to like Google or like YouTube. Okay, many like stuff you can find. Okay, with respect to machine
Uh,
learning, decision tree, and whatever. Okay, you are free, so whatever you want to learn, you can learn.
Okay, sir, just last, and this is a very small doubt because it was actually not, this is just a 1 second doubt. So what is the meaning of this one? Uh, so what is the meaning of this? I just predicted a probability, a
Hmm.
predict.proba, and
Hmm.
when I entered my array, it gave me this two values, 0.15,
Hmm.
0.84. What is the meaning of these two value? I actually was not giving attention to the class when it was getting taught.
So it is a like a probability value, probability of yes or probability of no, right? So whenever we are adding two probability means whenever we have a probability of something, so what will be the negation value? One minus the probability, right? Suppose I am giving, so suppose there is something, there is some event, okay, I am telling to you, okay, the probability of that event is 0.6, right? The then what will be the probability of not happening that event? 0.4, right?
So probability of happening is left side and probability of not happening is right side.
Yeah, so where this function has been designed, you can check the description, right? So what they have mentioned over there, then you can read.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay,
the
okay, okay,
probability of
sir.
happening and probability of not happening. The
Probability
simple
of
meaning.
happening, probability of
Yeah.
all right.
Okay.
Because actually
Hmm.
I asked it in support, and this guy has sent me this whole, and it's my habit of just copying this code and just
Hmm.
searching it in Google, and then I immediately know
No, no.
like
So
where this guy
just
where this guy, because he actually did not quite like, because it was a 1 second thing, like I was just asking, but thank you, sir, for clearing my doubt now.
yeah, yeah. Thank you.
All right, sir. So
Okay.
I'll just leave my screen, all right?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. So who is this?
I'm Ravindra, sir. Good evening,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, Ravin.
Can you see my screen, sir?
So have you shared your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Can you see my screen, sir?
No, no, I can't see right
No,
now.
sir.
Just try to share.
Yes, I have shared, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Ah, yes, I can see.
Sir, actually, I have two doubts, sir.
Mhm.
Just a minute. So the first thing is about SQL, sir. Sorry, so I'll ask about previous doubts.
Yeah, no issue.
Sir, actually, sir, here, sir, means I can delete a row from a database, sir. But
Mhm.
how can I delete multiple records, sir?
How you can
Here,
delete multiple record? So
yes, sir.
you can put into the for loop. So as simple as
No,
that.
sir. Not by for loop.
Huh.
Means in Cassandra there is a batch statement we can insert and delete.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, we don't have any statement like that in MySQL, sir.
No, I don't think so. Just you will have to find out that. Okay. So is there
Oh, okay,
anything?
sir.
So you are using the Python client, huh? For
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
yeah.
Only
So
for yes, sir. From Python only I'm doing it.
yeah. So like if you are deleting something that you can put inside the for loop, then line by line it will iterate. Okay, row by row
Oh,
it
okay,
will
sir.
iterate. Okay, and I think there will be a function execute all or something. Okay, so you just need to check with the documentation. So like
Okay, sir.
you will be able to find out because I execute one or execute like also something like this. So you just need to check
Yes,
with
sir.
that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Means I've like this. I have given this mantra name. Sorry, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to delete like that multiple records in the same row, sir. So I
Mm-hmm.
was not able to do it, sir. So and
So it will delete if you are mentioning some condition now where
yes,
name
sir.
equal to mantra. Can you
Yes,
can you
sir.
show me your data name
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
name column mantra?
Yes, sir. Means 1 minute, sir.
So are
1 minute, 1 minute.
you
I'll call again, sir. Check. Oh, sorry. Yes, sir, it has been deleted.
Yeah.
H&M.
So,
Yes, sir. Like that, I want to delete multiple records at the same time.
yeah, so it will delete. So where like it will be able to find out mantra, na? So that row
Yes,
it will
sir.
delete. Okay.
Yes, sir. Means
So
like this, I'm doing like I have given H&M, Adidas, like that. I'm trying to do, sir, but it is not taking, sir. So if I'm going to for loop, it is working, sir. In Cassandra,
okay.
I was
So
trying.
name in a name you want to write the multiple name.
Yeah, like that, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can use the operator, na? Like AND operator or operator. So
Okay, sir.
yeah. So you
Oh,
just
okay,
need to
sir.
explore this SQL statement, and
Okay, sir.
yeah. So that like a statement only you have to execute inside this execute function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
just check with the MySQL statement, SQL
Oh,
statement.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Means I've gone through all the basics, sir. I am not getting any issues, sir.
No,
By
no. If you
performing
want,
another additional records, I'm getting some issues. That's also.
okay.
And another doubt is
Hmm.
about this decision tree, sir.
Mhm.
Means I'm not getting any issues, sir, but I'm just confused with this random state and test size, sir. How we can conclude that we should take random state like 30, 40, 50, or test size will be 57.5?
No,
Like that.
this test size, na, this is
Yes, sir.
like up to you. So whatever test
Okay,
data
sir.
you want, you can select
Yeah,
that.
yes, sir.
You can
That only,
select,
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Means I
Yeah.
want to select 2.5 here.
Mhm.
If I want to select 50, means
Mhm.
by seeing the data set, how can I conclude that I should take 2.5?
So
2.5
suppose,
like that?
yeah. So what is this 2.5? Suppose you have 100% data, right?
Yes, sir. This is 2.5 is test
Yeah.
size and 7.5 is training data set.
Yeah, 75%
Yes,
is
sir.
train data and 25% is test data, right?
Test data. Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
you are selecting the 0.5, then what it will trying to do? 50% is train data, 50% is
50% is test data.
test data. So it is up to you how much data you want to take as a train data, how much
Okay,
data
sir.
you want to take as a test
Okay,
data.
okay, sir.
Okay. And this
Okay,
random
sir.
state is nothing. It's just a like a number, random number you have written over there. So
Okay,
whenever,
sir.
so just listen. Okay. First of all, so suppose this is the data. Okay. So if you
Yes,
are
sir.
like running this train test split function now, so
Yes, sir.
at every iteration, at each iteration, it will give you a random data. Okay. So whenever you are going to
Okay,
train
sir.
test split, so instead x train, x test, x by x test, so you will get a random data at each
Okay, sir.
iteration. But this
Okay.
random state means at this number you will get a same data. Means if you are putting this number, this 30,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
suppose this 30, and suppose this is your data, so this data, okay, so this is
Okay,
the
sir.
data for train and this is the data for test. So every time
Okay, sir.
this data you will get as a train, this data you will get as a test for this
Okay, sir.
number, this 30 number.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Means there is no threshold we should take on the random share this much or a test size.
No, this is not a threshold, nothing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
That's also I was having confusion with that.
Okay.
And last one doubt, sir. Means here, sir. If we get means here we are getting the closer point like every data set is closer to one. Accuracy is a little bit same, no, sir. Means by increasing the data set, we can put close to accuracy to this data sets or like that.
Sorry, what you are trying to ask? Just clear a question.
Just a minute, sir. Yes, sir. When we fit this model, sir, here above, means I did not get some accuracy, sir. I was getting an overfitting model first at that point, and I have taken like a 30. Here I have given 400. So sorry. Before I was taking 30 that 30 sets, sir, data sets. If I have taken 30 data sets, this graph was too fast, sir. This graph was too fast, sir. The points were here.
So 30 data set is very less data set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In that data
Yes,
set, model will not be able to decide. So suppose whatever data you are giving as a train time. Okay. So same, like it will not able to like find any pattern or something like in this small data set. Okay. So just try to take a more data set, then it will be able to find out the pattern.
Yes, sir. In means if we have to increase the accuracy, I have to increase the number of data sets. That's all.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, I got you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so yes, Shubham, right?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, sir. Hello?
Yes, yes, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, I think I want to ask, like, if I'm learning any algorithm, like a linear division or logistic division, like, I have gone through the videos, I've learned from the class session also, but I want to, what will the interview process, or what will the different use cases on different situations on a particular algorithm? How can I able to learn that from?
Sorry,
Like
what
for
was your question? What you have told?
like
Yeah.
I will try to explain using example. Like
Oh.
certain logistic regression, uh, like their accuracy, recall, precision, and
Mm-hmm.
there are different use cases like
Mm-hmm.
cancer patient one, or a person is innocent, is not innocent. Precision is more taken valued. So
Mm-hmm.
like these use cases, or choosing a threshold of on different business scenarios, it depends on that now. So how to gain the knowledge of that? Like in interview, interview will give me the situation and ask me a question like what you will calculate precision or accuracy, or which threshold value, or
No,
like that.
no. Actually, no. So suppose you are doing any problem, right?
Hmm,
So
hmm,
that precision, recall, and that all
hmm,
like terminology. Okay, so
hmm.
it has some mathematical value. Okay,
Yeah.
so whenever
Hmm,
we are calculating precision, recall,
hmm,
accuracy,
hmm,
F1 score, so it has some mathematical value. Okay, so
hmm,
based on something we are calculating that mathematical value. So I can give you one example. Suppose you are doing any classification problem. Okay, suppose diabetes prediction, that is a binary
okay.
classification, person has diabetes or not. Okay, so in that
Yeah.
you are going to like a building a confusion matrix. So inside a
Hmm,
confusion matrix we know like 3 to 4 terminology: true positive, true
hmm,
negative,
hmm,
false positive,
hmm,
false negative, right?
hmm.
So what is this false positive? There is some meaning now of that false positive, there is some meaning now of that false negative. Means if
Yeah.
person is predicting yes and the actual value is no, so what it will be?
Hmm.
It will be false positive. Then
What?
actual that predictive value is no and the actual
Hmm.
value is yes, so what it will be? It will be false negative, right? So
Yeah.
based on that value only we are just going to calculate the accuracy, precision, recall, or whatever.
Yeah.
So first of all
Yeah.
you need to understand the base means the problem statement. So what is the problem statement? Problem statement means a diabetes data, right? So inside
Hmm.
that, in the diabetes data, what we are going to do? We are just going to do a classification. Okay, and based on
Hmm.
that classification we are going to calculate the this value. Okay, so this
Okay.
is just you need to practice, you need to understand the concept, the core concept. Okay, so you have,
Okay.
I think you have just started, right? So started machine
Yeah.
learning. Yeah, so
Yeah,
you
I
have
started
to.
machine learning just now in on decision tree and all that. So I
Hmm,
was just revising from the starting linear and like logistic, and I was
hmm,
doing a ML project on logistic,
hmm,
and I
hmm,
want to try different
hmm,
things and ensemble technique, or
hmm,
different decision trees on that project only. So I
hmm,
was thinking of different combination permutations. So what should I
hmm,
learn? What from where? Like what all can I gather from a particular algorithm, and then move on to the next algorithm and
hmm,
learn from different sources,
hmm.
different things about that algorithm to make my base clear and strong on that algorithm. Yeah, that was
Yeah,
my idea.
so this is nothing. So first of all, you need to understand. So some like whatever algorithm has been designed now for some specific
Hmm,
reason, right? So
hmm,
linear
hmm,
regression, what is it is trying to do? It is try to finding out the linearity inside the data. Based on that, it is trying to build a model, and
hmm,
we are trying to predict the value. Logistic regression,
hmm,
it is based on a probability. Okay, probabilistic
hmm.
function. That okay, decision tree is
Okay.
just the if and Kalshofen statement. And what is a
Okay.
random forest and boosting? It is a ensemble
Hmm,
technique. Means over there we are using a multiple model. whether it is
Yeah.
decision tree or whether we are using a different model. Okay, so every algorithm has like their unique specialty, okay, unique assumption.
Okay.
So you need to
Yeah.
understand that, you need to understand the data, then only you can apply the algorithm, right algorithm at right place. Okay, and that evaluation parameter is nothing, there is some mathematical concept, there is some mathematical value with respect to that evaluation parameter. Okay, so just try to understand the problem statement, and then you will be able to understand where we have to use which evaluation parameter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, is there any source from where I can learn
So
interview question or use
in
cases?
class only we have taught each and everything, we have given you like a multiple interview questions, so first of all try to finish that. Okay, and yeah, go over the Google, everything is open source, over the YouTube everything is available, so it is up to you, so just try to find out. Okay, so first of all just try to finish the dashboard thing, dashboard material, the classes and the material which has been provided to you. Okay, apart from this everything is open source. Okay, means everything you can find by yourself, just try to Google it. Okay.
Yeah, but sir, actually I was like some confusing like from where, or like I'm seeing the material over Google different
Mhm.
sites, but they
Mhm.
are good one. So
Mhm.
from what all I go to, there are many. So that's
So
I was.
no, you no need to go with each and everything. You just need to
Hmm.
understand the concept. So like
Okay.
whether you are learning from the iNeuron, whether you are learning from any other place, okay, you just need to
Hmm.
understand the basic concept. Basic concept will same, okay. Based on that, you will have to understand. You will have to build your basic. You will have to build your understanding only, okay. So just try to understand the basic concept. Once you will be
Hmm.
understand your basic concept, then you can read
Hmm.
any blog, anything. You can do any project or anything. It will build your understanding only. Okay. So first is important a basic concept. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. And sir, that's why I've started like ML project from the intensive board,
Mhm.
uh, like uh, other semesters income prediction one on the binary classification problem only. It is a simple problem, but there it is mentioned that we have to apply different algorithms.
Mhm.
So from logistic regression to decision tree, we can apply
Mhm.
all that. Uh, and
Yeah, you can apply all the algorithm, and you have to check the accuracy, which algorithm is predicting a which algorithm is giving a best accuracy. Then that algorithm you can select.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
sir, like
Hmm.
there, I can also check the accuracy, and can I also check the
Hmm.
ROC AUC score?
So why we use a ROC AUC score?
So,
I have told you
yeah.
in behind each and every word that there is some mathematical concept. So that only you will have to understand first of all. Okay, directly don't use ROC score or accuracy or whatever. So first of all, try to understand the mathematical concept behind that, and then only you can do that. Okay.
From AUC score, I have
Hmm.
understood that it gives area under the ROC curve. So,
Hmm.
by applying different algorithm, machine learning algorithm,
Hmm.
we can uh, get the mathematical value of area under curve, and
Hmm.
what will be the maximum area the
Hmm.
algorithm will be giving. We will choose
Hmm.
that specific algorithm.
Hmm.
This is one case, and
So yes, so in a straightforward way, okay,
uh,
but in depth, you have you related this thing with any problem statement? How actually it is working? You have just read the theory, okay, this thing is working, but have you taken the
hmm,
data set? Have you calculated the thing? Have you checked? Okay, so I'm getting over here. What is the meaning of this? How we are able to calculate this thing? Have you plotted the graph ever?
sir, in class we have done that. That's one. I
Yeah,
have.
so just try to do with other data set as well. Okay, so
No, so I
yeah.
was asking, sir, I was asking that only.
Hmm.
Like, there is an accuracy score and there is a AUC score. So
Hmm.
you are trying to explain that we have to actually understand the mathematical. That is
Hmm.
okay. Or if
Hmm.
I'm not able to understand that properly, I'm
Hmm.
trying to explain like what should we choose. Like if one model is giving
Hmm.
accuracy better, but
Hmm.
ROC score is less, and another
Hmm.
model is giving ROC more. Suppose
Hmm.
I'm not
Hmm.
any proving anything. Just
Hmm.
suppose
Hmm.
one case is accuracy is more, and second case is AUC is more.
Hmm.
What should we choose?
So accuracy, what is the accuracy? Accuracy means just a correct prediction, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
ROC, what it is providing? the graph between a specificity,
true positive,
true positive, negative, true
false.
TPR between FPR, right? So
Yeah.
what you need to check over there? So accuracy is one thing, accuracy is a different thing, means only correct prediction. Okay. So whether you are checking the correct prediction or whether you are checking the like a value between TPR and FPR, like graph.
It is
Okay.
the same thing.
Both are different thing actually, right?
Okay.
So true positive rate, true positive, accuracy means what? True positive plus true negative, right? And upon true positive plus false negative, false positive plus true negative.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one value. And what is the TPR? True positive rate. True positive rate means true positive plus false negative.
False
Okay.
negative. Okay.
Yeah, so this is called a true positive, right? So you are plotting the graph between a TPR or FPR, right?
FPR. Yeah.
So both are the different things. So this is up to you basically how you are going to evaluate your model. So at the last you are checking the accuracy and as well as you are checking the ROC. So based on that you are going to evaluate your model. You have put like a one condition, one threshold. This is up to you. Okay, how you are going to. So just try to print the accuracy as well and try to print like a ROC UC as well. Okay, this is up to you. But you need to like a select one model between that you can like choose any one parameter and you can put the condition over there. Okay.
So there is not any fast and loose, like I have to choose only accuracy and I will not have to choose that. I can choose any whatever like understanding.
Yeah. So this like all the parameter you can find the value of all the parameter at the last like so any like if else kind of a condition you can apply, okay, for evaluating between the multiple models. Okay. Yeah, I think your doubt is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so next doubt yes, Rasika, go ahead. Hello, Rasika, am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Can I share the screen, sir?
Yes, you can share.
Sorry, sir, in Flask, when I was executing this app.py file, it will be executed, sir. Okay. Yeah. When I was trying this hello.py file, it will be executed. It will not showing like this. Wait. I need to print this hello Rashika, but it was printing that choose a mathematical operation add.
So try to check with your like templates, okay, in statistic in your like HTML file, what like you have provided over there, which page you have linked, which URL you have linked over there.
Which one, sir?
In your HTML file, index.html and result.html. So which is rendering? Which file is rendering? Hello.py, which file is rendering? Just show me that.
Okay. Hello.py file, sir. Just it is just a name check. I was just now I was created, sir, for checking purpose. But it was showing that this one app.py file it was showing when I was run this hello.py file.
No, just close it.
Okay.
Close. Show me app.py file.
Okay, sir.
Just scroll down. Scroll down. So this is running on the same port, na? App.run. Just try to like put a different port. 5000 port. Both is running over the 5000 port. That's why.
Where is that, sir?
App.run. Inside that app.run.
Yeah, is there app.run, sir?
Yeah. You can mention the port number, different port number over here, 8000 or whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
App.run means I need to give this here at 8000. Port number is 8000, sir.
Yeah. Port number, different port number. Try to run over the different port number. Okay.
Okay. Can I train on this, sir?
Yeah, you can write. Port equal to, where is equal to? Just save it, Control S.
Okay, sir.
First of all, try to terminate the process in your PyCharm.
Should I close all the terms, sir?
No, terminate the process means you have to stop your application. It is running now, this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Who is this?
Yes. This is Suraj, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Suraj.
I wanted to connect with someone to discuss job offers, to discuss about the companies like I have.
Okay, so I think Vikas sir is there, so we can discuss with you.
Can we connect on Skype or something? Like the session is being recorded. I want to get into detail.
Yeah, sure. So Vikas sir. Okay, so you can mail to us. Okay, so we'll try to connect with you. So this is my mail ID. Okay, so just a second. Yes, Suraj, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suraj, you can mail me, and I think Vikas sir and also given the mail in the chat. You can check. So you can mail to me or Vikas sir as well. Okay.
So, sir, when can we connect? Like I have messaged you, I think, on Skype.
Okay. So you have messaged me right now.
Yes. Yeah, not now. I have also another issue.
Okay. Suraj Jaiswal.
Deployment
Yes.
issue,
I got that. Then I will like a concern with you. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So when can I expect to connect?
Tomorrow you can message me after 11. Okay. Between 11 to 1, you can message me. Okay. Or
Sure,
in
sir.
evening 5 to 6. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Suraj, thank you. So any other doubt? Anyone? If you have any other doubt, then you can raise the hand. So guys, no doubt.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we stop the recording and discuss it now?
Not
As
now,
I can
Suraj.
see-
You can connect with me tomorrow. Okay. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sure.
I will connect with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, guys. So I think there is no any more doubt. So we can conclude our today's session. If you have any doubt, so you can mail me. You can mail to Vikas, or you can mail over the query@ineuron.ai, and you can ask to the support team. There are various platforms. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for the joining. Good night. Bye bye.